Hey guys, Dan here from Teralume. Today we're going to be fitting our X1 bracket that we've made for the Rhino Rack Platform V2. Alright, so simply, if you've got the rack like this, upside down, and you're ready to fit it, and it's still without its feet or its backbone, it's the easiest way to do it. We'll show you in a minute how to get it on if you have the rack mounted already, whether it be on a backbone or whether it be on any of the feet kit they do come with. So what we're going to do, easiest way to do it is actually assemble it. Get it roughly assembled, and we're going to use the 25mm channel nut and effectively slide it through, and that's it. You can make that finger tight for the moment till you get in position. That's a 10mm nut when the time's right to actually fasten that off completely. Slide that in, slide that out as you see fit. You can actually put them on the slight angle as well. So you can fit it either one of these crossbars or either end as well. They are designed to, if you were to want to fit it on the end of the rack or on the front, there's a slight indent, so they do clear this extrusion on the edge. We do include both a 20 and a 25mm channel nut. Our Rhino Rack have specified that all of these crossbars on this platform rack are a 25mm. The two ends, which are exclusive to the Platform 2 rack, have a 20mm channel nut, and anything on these long bars that go front to rear are a 20mm as well. So no matter where you want to fit it or what your platform rack or any other rack that you may be retrofitting it to has, we do include both the 20 and the 25mm channel nut. On the little bolt here, we do include all the fasteners that you may need, both for the light you're fitting, if it were not to come with them, and the actual bracket itself. Now what we include is a M6, it's all M6 stainless fasteners. Got a spring washer, a metal steel washer, and of course a nylon washer. And the reason we put a nylon washer on is to ensure that the contact surfaces aren't met with metal and they aren't scratched, and in turn the powder coating or the surface is ruined. You know, all sorts of things, rust and all sorts of nasty things can happen if you have a scratching effect. So we include the nylon washer. It is black and it blends in with all of the rest of it to ensure that your product stays good for years to come.